This is seafood stew. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious seafood stew. It is a simple recipe, quite easy and absolutely delicious. If you are interested and you want to know how I made it, stay tuned. Let's get straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. For this recipe, you'll be needing different species of fishes, shrimps and crabs. The first thing I'll be doing is to cut, trim, slice and clean the fishes properly. If this is your first time on this channel, like and share my videos, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. So I'm trimming now, cutting and cleaning. To wash the fish, I'll be using some warm water with a little salt. I'll be using some white vinegar to wash the fish to remove any foul smell from the fish before cooking. I'll be adding the white vinegar into the water after the first and second wash, then rinsing the fish clean. When the water is clear, I'll add some vinegar, scrub the fish with some water and rinse it out to remove every foul smell from the fish or that fishy smell. Seafood stew is very delicious. You can make your seafood stew with any seafood of your choice. Fish, shrimp, crab, any lobster, any seafood at all. It depends on what you like and how you like it. This one is a simple recipe and is a Nigerian seafood recipe, the fisherman style, the very simple one that everybody can afford. This is quite affordable. I am done cutting the big fishes. Let me do a little cleaning. Let me do a little cleanup before I cut the smaller fishes. This seafood stew recipe is good for rice, it's good for yam, it's good for pasta, very good for swallow also. I'll be making this recipe with some tomatoes and pepper mix. Fish is very high in nutrients and contains omega-3 fatty acids and a very good source of protein too. I'm almost done cleaning the fish. After this, I'll go ahead and clean the crab and the shrimps. Clean your workspace with some water, soap, and baking soda after handling fish. It removes the foul smell from your kitchen. I'm done with the fish, so I'll be cleaning the shrimps and the crabs now. Shrimps are high in protein. Shrimps are quite nutritious, delicious, and healthy. And crabs are a great source of proteins too. They are very delicious and highly nutritious also. For this recipe, I'll be using small quantity of shrimps and crabs. I don't want to do too much. After washing the crabs and the shrimps, the next thing I'll be doing is to chop the tomatoes, peppers, and onion, which I have already washed and cleaned thoroughly. So after chopping them, I'll be transferring it into a pan. I added some fresh garlic and fresh ginger into the tomatoes that I'll be blending. Then I'm going to add some dried chili pepper. I want it a little bit spicy. Then I'll be transferring the tomatoes into this pan and let it heat up a little. I'll be adding a little quantity of vegetable oil and some salt to let it steam a bit before blending. This is an easy seafood stew with very few ingredients. With few ingredients, you can put it together, prepare it, and enjoy with your family and friends. I'll be adding some salt to taste and a little quantity of vegetable oil drizzled on the tomatoes, peppers, and onion. Then I will allow it to steam, cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'll be transferring it into my blender and blend it into a very smooth paste. All ingredients to put the stew together ready, everything well prepped. I have a pot on the fire. Here I've added some vegetable oil and some onion. Here is my curry powder, some thyme, coriander, and I'll be adding some crushed oregano leaves, a little. I'll give it a good stir to build good aroma. I'll be adding some turmeric powder into the pot. That's my favorite. I'll give it a gentle stir again. This aroma is nice. Now I'll be going in with my tomato mix. After that, I will be giving it a gentle stir. Stir to combine. Then I'll be covering this to cook for 2 minutes. I'll cover to cook for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, I'll be adding some rosemary, a little. Then more oregano leaves, some salt to taste, seasoning powder, seasoning cube. Then I will be giving it a good stir to mix well and combine well. It's time to add the fish, the crabs, and the shrimps. This recipe is quite easy, right? Be gentle when handling your fish. After adding your fish to the pot, into the pot, when the fish is cooking, you be gentle. I'll be adding a little more salt to taste. Then cover to cook for 3 minutes. While it's cooking, be gentle while stirring so that you not end up with broken fishes in the pot. It's 3 minutes now. I'll be adding a little quantity of water to aid the fishes and the crabs cook well. Our seafood stew will not take all day to cook because fish does not take time to cook. It only takes a few minutes for your fish to get done, get cooked, and you enjoy your food. I'll be covering the pot now and let the stew cook for 2 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll just go ahead and boil some rice because I'll be serving this stew with some rice. After 2 minutes, I'll open the pot and give it a gentle stir. Very gentle stir, a mild stir. Being careful not to break the fish. After that, I'll cover to cook for a few more minutes. This seafood stew is very delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Drop me a comment when you try it out and let me know the outcome. I'll be stirring it at intervals until the fish is cooked. It's almost ready now. Within a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, we'll be done cooking the stew. If you're new on this channel, let me welcome you once again. And if you find this video helpful, like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you everyone who finds time to watch my videos. I love you all. We'll be checking it now, giving it a stir, and it is ready. Our simple seafood stew is cooked and ready. I'll be turning off the heat now. I'll cover and turn off the heat, then allow it to rest a bit before serving. Come join me. Let's enjoy this delicious seafood stew. Don't forget that you can use any seafood of your choice to make yours. You can use clams, you can use mussels, you can use codfish, you can use croaker fish, any fish, crabs, lobster, any seafood of your choice, and it will come out fine. Now I'll be serving it with my rice. Get your plate. Let's enjoy this. This stew is packed with so much flavor, very tasty and delicious. If you are a fish lover, this recipe is a must try. At this point, I'll be saying thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.